2020 F 550. Changed these door checks. They were making noise. I've already put it in. This is the one that came out. It's just noisy. Probably a dealer thing, but I did it anyways. You gotta take the speaker out, take the plug off, push this, take it off. 4 bolts, 7mm, and then it pulls out. It's got some aligning tabs down here, you'll notice, so don't force it. And these plugs just go back into the bottom of this window regulator thing, window control. And this, I just let it hang by this latch control. It's hanging. You can see there's these things that hold it in. They go right here, and then the flat one goes right here, right above it. And there's one alignment. This one, there's a bolt, and down here there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and another flat one. I always think of breaking these, but there's that right next to this, so if you want to fish into it. And this one is about 8 inches below here. Oop. I took this off, little thing. You gotta take this off. And we pulled this off. You gotta pull a bolt out of there, and a bolt out of there, one out of there, and one out of there. And there's a cover that goes on here. There's a cover that goes here. And it's held on with these clips. These things. These are horrible to get off. They sound like you're destroying it, but that's what it's held on with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then this goes like that. I don't know where that other piece is. Oh, there it is. This has these, and it goes in there. Goes in there like that. These go into those. And then up. And then that's what closes it. Hard to see, but it just pushes in. When you're pulling it off, pull it off from the top. I pulled it off from the bottom. Yeah, there we go.